Let's take one example on Thevenin's theorem. Determine Thevenin's equivalent of the circuit. Here the circuit is given and at terminal A and B we are supposed to find the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. That is, we are supposed to bring this circuit to Thevenin's equivalent circuit, that is VTH in series with RTH, which is connected at terminal A and B. Now let's find VTH and RTH. In this circuit we can observe that it is having voltage dependent current source. If in the circuit, if there is a dependent sources, we are supposed to calculate VOC or VTH, then short circuit current ISC, then we are supposed to calculate Thevenin's resistance, that is RTH. Let's find VOC. Observe in this circuit, here a 3 ohm resistor is connected to terminal A, where terminal A and B is open. It indicates that no current flows in 3 ohm resistor. Now here we have 0.1 Vx, a current source. It draws a current of 0.1 Vx. Now the entire current 0.1 Vx flows through 5 ohm resistor and no current flows through 3 ohm resistor as terminal A and B is open. So this entire current will flow through in this direction. Thus it develops a voltage across 5 ohm resistor. Now we are supposed to calculate voltage between point AB, which is nothing but Thevenin's voltage or open circuit voltage. Now I'll apply KVL to this entire loop, that is 4 is equal to voltage drop across 5 ohm resistor, that is 5U, into, now we are going in this direction but the current is opposite to our direction, so I can write it as minus 0.1 Vx plus, no current flows in 3 ohm resistor, so voltage across this is 0. Now voltage between these two terminal is Vx. So here Vx is nothing but VOC or VTH. Simplifying this, I can write 4 is equal to minus 0.5 Vx plus Vx. 4 is equal to 0.5 Vx. Vx is equal to 4 divided by 0.5, which is nothing but 8 volts. Therefore, now we can say VOC is equal to VTH is equal to Vx. Therefore, VTH is equal to 8 volts. So this is the required Thevenin's voltage VTH, which is 8 volts. So now we found VTH. Now let's calculate RTH. To calculate RTH, first we should find the short circuit current ISC. The short circuit current ISC is the current which flows through between the terminal A and B after shorting it. I will redraw the circuit here. This is 5 ohm, this is 3 ohm, and this is 4 volt. Now here we can observe that when we short the terminal A and B, the voltage across A and B will become 0, that is Vx will become 0. Now I can say Vx is equal to 0 because when we short A and B terminal, Vx will become 0. When Vx is 0, here we have voltage dependent current source. When Vx is 0, then 0.1 0, so this will also become 0. The current source 0 means it is open circuited. that is, it is open circuited, and here we can observe that now there is no current source, there is only one loop, so current through this is known as ISC. Therefore I can write 4 is equal to 8 ISC. Therefore ISC is equal to 4 by 8. Therefore ISC is equal to 0.5 amps. So now we can calculate RTH value. We know that RTH is equal to VTH divided by ISC. So here VTH value is 8, ISC value is 0.5. Therefore RTH is equal to 16 ohm. So now we found VTH value and RTH value. Therefore VTH is 8 volt and RTH is equal to 16 ohm. This is the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. This is 8 volt, this is 16 ohm. So this is Thevenin's equivalent circuit at terminals A and B. Thank you for watching.